this is going to be a powerful demonstration of just how great, thick build, tough and strong the Kong Armor deck armor coating system is. Out in Aurora, Indiana. Okay, I had to bring this video to your all's attention on a Sunday night. I'm sorry. I'm actually down on my family's property here in Kentucky, trying to relax a little bit. But the guys, the Kong Armor team, they're getting geared up for tomorrow in Aurora. We're going to take on a peeling restore 10X system out there. And I don't know, any of you guys that are watching this at home, any of you that have peeling restore 10X, you should probably take note, because this is going to be a powerful demonstration of just how great, thick build, tough and strong the Kong Armor deck armor coating system is at saving these decks and porches and patios and this type of stuff that have been painted with this residential coating that feels like lava rock, and it doesn't have very much stretch, and it cracks and it busts, and then the owner is in a rescue situation. And that's what's going on in Aurora. You see, the truth is, and this is why I wanted to bring this video to your guys' attention. The truth is, if we can't help this lady, if the Kong Armor system wasn't here to encapsulate this Restore 10X, this thick textured coating that she has all over her patio, if Kong wasn't here, she would be facing replacement of these two patios. Here, look, tell you what, before I keep blabbing on, take a look at the footage I shot from there yesterday. Okay, I don't want to hold you up all. I know it's your Sunday evening, but I just want to demonstrate to you guys. I want you guys to get on board on watching this project. If you have this particular coating system on your deck system, I want you guys to get on board, watch this project, so you can see the power of Kong. You can see that we can rescue and save your deck. I looked at a deck replacement the other day where a lady actually had to replace her deck. It was not savable. The wood was just too far gone. Regular size deck, and we're talking a normal little subdivision deck, just tiny, around 15 grand. Wow. This is dire for these people. They want their decks back, and if they can't get them back, then they face this massive expense to you know, this lady in Aurora. These patios, she's going to start taking on rot. She's going to start taking on board loss. She already has. And here, watch the clips, and then we're going to talk about what we're going to do there. So this is in Aurora, Indiana. This is at a historic hotel here in town. And what we have here is Restore 10X. It's a coating system that is really sort of an aggressive coating system. It's textured. It has a lava rock sort of feel to it. And what happens is, over time, the customers, they just end up don't liking it because of how it feels on your feet. But it also cracks a lot because it doesn't have what we call great expansion and contraction capabilities. It can expand a little bit, but it gets stuck out and then it's not able to contract, and then you start to have cracking and peeling with it. This system is held up a lot better than most because it's under a covering, and so the UV rays have a hard time getting in here. But it does have some damage in the back corner back there, and there are some places around the edges where the UV rays do penetrate in and cause degradation, or it is kind of peeling and cracking a little bit. What we'll do is, this is 700 square feet, and we'll bring the Kong system in and just completely encapsulate this all once this has been washed and cleaned really well, and this will turn out stunningly gorgeous. Still here at this historic hotel. This is the Empire House, is that right?
Yep.
Empire House in Aurora. Okay.
Built in 1860.
1860.
1816.
1816. Wow, we're way back now. So this floor did have like some type of rubber butane on it, but now it's exposed, and my guess is this is some type of oil-based older coating system. I could be wrong about that, but what we're going to do, we're going to come through here, clean this all really well, prep it, use epoxy or anything like that we need to use to fill in cracks, large cracks. There's a couple of them here. This type of stuff we'll fill in, and then lock down encapsulation with the Kong system. It's about 300 square feet here. We'll focus a lot on cleaning this area. There seems to be a little bit of leftover adhesive and that type of stuff here. Also on the metal itself, we'll focus on cleaning that a lot and getting that prepped. This is flaking, so we have a little bit of work to do on that to get it to where we can coat it. Little side kick out patio at the Empire House here in Aurora, and this is a water-based coating system that's on here. This little deck system, it suffers from what we call ugly deck syndrome. It has some rotten nails. It does have some peeling deck paint, okay, but mainly it has checking problems. So you can see the cracks here that have opened up here, the cracks that have opened up there. It's got fastener corrosion. We'll add some rust inhibitor into the system to try to kill that as much as possible, but we'll utilize silverback epoxy to fill in this checking, to water lock this, and then again just encapsulation with the Kong system once we get this properly prepared. Braces, so we'll be adding, I'll take you guys up here swiftly. We'll add braces everywhere that we can get a brace in here. We'll add one also along this long stretch. Those are pretty stable. We'll probably skip that, but checking in the post filled in with the epoxy. We'll fill in areas like this. All of this encapsulated where water can't get down in there. Lockdown encapsulation of the peeling coating system here on the floor. This is just some type of thin residential paint. All right, so you guys got an idea of what's going on there, right? All of that has been, that little side deck there that I showed you, that's got some like bare deck over or something on, but those porches, RUSTOLUEM RESTORE 10X, and she's facing replacing those floors on those porches. We're talking about 25 grand or more to replace all, maybe more, it may be more. And the power of Kong, the power of encapsulation, the power of thick build to come in there. Well, we're starting the process tomorrow. That's why I want you right now to find out about KongArmor.com, because we're going to load this all to the front page of Kong Armor. First off, KongArmor.com. Second off, our Facebook page, facebook.com/@KongArmor. I want you guys to like and follow us now, or get in tune with our website where you can check back in here in a day or two and look and see what happens with this project. I wanted to get your attention tonight. If you have this problem, if you have Restore 10X, if you have Restore on your deck and you're facing replacing it because you can't pay for the high dollar restoration, the sanding, the chemical peel, you think it's just going to be easier for you to replace it, we can save you from all that. Okay, Kong is unbelievably thick, high stretch, and it has a special ability that we call the ability to bridge. So specifically, it can bridge over items, encapsulate them, encase them and its adhesion is so absurd that it can lock this stuff down. Watch, I want you guys to watch what happens. We're going to clean this tomorrow. That's cool. But the next day we're going to encapsulate this, and I want you guys to watch what happens. Your deck, your patio, your fence, your dock, your gazebo, whatever that has Peeling Restore 10X on it can be rescued. We can rescue it. You don't have to replace it. Follow this project. We're going to put a project hashtag on here. We're just going to call this the Aurora Restore. We're going to hashtag Aurora Restore 10X. Let's do that. Hashtag Aurora Restore 10X. Use that hashtag to follow this project. Follow it on kongarmor.com. Follow it on our Facebook page. We'll leave links down in the description. Your deck, your patio, all that can be saved. Watch this lockdown encapsulation.